Hey guys, coming at you. All right, we're out at Crow Canyon Golf and Country Club. They've got a tournament going today, tomorrow, and Sunday. I believe it started yesterday. Great tournament. Hopefully they're doing well. But the other reason I'm letting you know is we are ready to go. 631 Silver Lake Drive, Danville, and that's in the Crow Canyon Golf and Country Club. So as I've told you before, this is the number one hole. Great opportunity to enjoy this view all the time. That is literally right off your back porch. So we're getting a couple things tidied up. My stager did a fabulous job. She was here really doing a great, fabulous job for me. I really appreciate that. This is the backyard right behind me. Low, which is nice. Great opportunity for you. Who do you know that likes to play golf, that would love to be part of Bay Club, because this is one of the Bay Club courses. So if you're a member of Bay Club, you get to use them all, which is super cool. Let's see, tomorrow, Saturday, 2 to 4, and we're going to do the world famous Eddie Garcia sponsored coffee cart by Cafe Carrillo. Now, if you haven't been to one of my open houses, it's a little different. You got to come check it out. It's a lot of fun. Coffee, good times, conversation. And let's see what's important. Oh, tonight, TCU has a great football game they're playing. Going to be excited for that. And then how's the market? I don't know. Come by and see me tomorrow. Open house tomorrow, Saturday, 2 to 4, and Sunday also 2 to 4. I'll be here both days. Coffee cart only tomorrow, though. See you, bye.